Hello and welcome to C Programming TCS 10103 KCS 1143. Today we are going through Chapter 1 Introduction to Problem Solving, and the topic will be discussed today is the introduction, the programming lifecycle, and the representation methods. In general, in our daily life, we face a variety of problems that may be related to any field. The same problem can be solved in a different way by a different person, and the techniques used for the solution by someone may be correct. The nature of the problem depends on the situation. Problem solving may be an art or science. It includes special knowledge in the fields to which the problem relates to, and the power of knowledge without learning, human reasoning, and experience. In problem solving, each individual may have his or her own unique way. Therefore, prior to the solution of any problems, one should follow the following basic steps that may be given in a clear or better idea for the solution of any problems. So, in our daily life, each different has a different way to solve a problems, be it by using a programming or a code that you can use, or in other creative ways that they may use. So, a computer is a very powerful and versatile machine capable of performing a multitude of different tasks, yet it has no intelligence or thinking power. So, as strong as our computer is, there is no way in shape or form that the computer has there is no way the computer has a way of thinking for itself, because any of the input placed into the computer is placed by the programmer itself or placed by the user or the programmer. So the intelligence of a computer is zero lah, in general, and a computer performs many tasks exactly in the same manner as it told to do so. So, in order to instruct a computer correctly, the user must have a clear understanding of the problems need to be solved. Apart from this, he should be able to develop a method in the form of series of sequential steps to solve it. Once the problem is well defined and method is solving it is developed, then instructing the computer to solve the problems become relatively easier to task and become a relatively easier task. So, a person, a programmer, or the user must have a clear understanding of the problem. They must know what kind of problem they are facing and how to tackle it in the process. It is easier to try and solve the problems if you know and understand what the problem is. So, what is problem solving? It is a systematic approach to find and implement the solution to our problems. So there is a few different steps that you need to follow to find the most efficient way to solve a problems. So, and problems can be solved in many different ways, like we mentioned just now. And one of the ways that we can use to solve our problems in daily life is by programming. So with programming, it is a set of instructions to solve the problems or the specific of the sequence of computational steps in particular programming language is called program. The task of developing programs is called programming. So according to the picture shown, there are a lot of different types of programming language that we can learn and use to solve our daily life problems, such as C++, C Sharp, Python. Python is the most common use in most jobs applicants right now, because it is similar to C++, but Python has a simplified way in the user interface itself lah. And other languages shown here, Java, JavaScript. But like I mentioned just now, mostly in our current day and age, we use C Sharp and Python.